the ball in 3 different heights, which one will roll faster? In my opinion, I think the ball from the highest height will go faster. What do you think? Let's see. I'm using 3 different types of materials. The first one is a shoe holder. The second one is 6 PVC tubes that are 1 meter long. And the last one are ping pong balls. Let's set up my ramp. By letting the ball roll at the same time. My brother's gonna help you release it. 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! My prediction was right. I will show you one by one by counting it too. Now, let's see how long does the highest ramp take. 3, 2, 1, go! Data I collect from my experiment. The average time of the highest ramp was 0.67 seconds. The middle ramp was 0.83 seconds. And the lowest one was 1.22 seconds. See, this experiment is so easy. Everyone can try it at home. Thank you for watching. Bye!